Some believe we are not in a recession and we are not in a depression, while Annapolis home prices are up 10.3% year to date. It's Friday, November 17th, 2023. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. In a recent business gathering, one of the attendees made a comment about when we finally come out of this recession, boom, and it struck me that some believe we are in a recession. Despite a lot of unknowns, higher interest rates when compared to the extraordinary anomaly of lower interest rates in 2020 through 2022, housing inventory shortages, higher housing prices, and wars, the U.S. is not in a recession by traditional definitions. For the U.S. to be in an actual recession, there have to be 2 consecutive quarters of negative gross domestic product or economic growth. In fact, the third quarter of 2023 saw the economy grow 4.9%. That's why the feds keep raising the interest rates so they can slow the economic growth. But that's not happening. So while we aren't in one now, prepare for the likelihood that one is coming. Back off of unnecessary spending like daily 3-meal-a-day DoorDash orders. Yes, that's a thing for some people, and that's just scary. Start or add to an emergency fund so that you can avoid going into debt when the unexpected happens. Review your subscription service and see if there are any that you can eliminate. Do preventive maintenance on your home systems to avoid costly breakdowns from neglect. Meanwhile, Annapolis home prices are 28.1% higher than last year, and we only have 1.6 months of inventory available. This inventory rose only slightly to 144 for sale, but still well below pre-COVID numbers. 9 homes are coming soon to the market. 24 homes hit the market over the past week. 13 went under contract since last week. 11 moved to pending. 26 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio, and in 7 days, an improvement week over week. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Eastport for $3,200,000. Rentals in Annapolis rose to 52 for rent at a median $29.38 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, November 17th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week.